Hello guys, in this video I will introduce my new Blender addon called Adjust Segment. This addon allows you to easily modify the number of segments in both polylines and quad surfaces. Let's start with adjusting the number of segments in polylines. First, you can select the desired polyline and right-click. From the context menu, choose Adjust Line Segments. A panel will appear in the bottom left corner, where you can set the parameters. By modifying the segment increment parameter, you can increase or decrease the number of segments. If you check Uniform option, the segments will be evenly spaced. Now, let's move on to adjusting the number of segments in quad surfaces. Also, select the desired faces. Then, right-click and choose Adjust Surface Segment. You can independently adjust the number of segments in both U and V dimensions. Also, you can choose whether the points are uniformly spaced or not in both orientations. Thank you for watching and hope you like this addon.